Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny at Penny's Crafty Creations here on YouTube. So today is week 46. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. I don't know what are we on? I think we're on 46. Yeah, 46, week 46 for Deck the Year. Yes, was it? No, it was Tuesday. Um, I went to Hobby Lobby, and I bought this stamp set for $2.49, and this wasn't even on sale. And I love all these stamps. It has first class. It has numbers, the little perforated stamp, some canceled lines, and the line for the post. I think these are postmarks or something like that, and numbers, and they're it's really cool for $2.49. I couldn't pass it up. So that is my theme for this week. And this is what I created. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love everything about it. So what I did was I laid down some brown or craft cardstock. I tore the two edges. First off, I sanded down the card with my sander here, and then I glued down the paper, and then I just not randomly stamped, but I stamped first class. There's the postmark. Here's some not canceled, but what do you call those stamps? They're stamps. And then here's another one. And then I used this punch that I had in my stash. It's an old Fisker's from Leah Griffith, and it is a mini or teeny tiny envelope. So I punched it out of book pages, and then I added a little piece of paper, and I stamped on it and distressed it. Then I added some blue bling. I was going to add red as well, but I think blue is perfectly fine. And I just love how this card turned out. Isn't that really cool? I was crafting and I was showing my friends, and and they're like, "Oh my god, that is so cute." I'm like, "I know, I just love it. It's adorable. I love this punch." So yeah, that is week 46 for hashtag Deck the Year. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.